Hi everyone, this is MA. Today I'm going to show you how to make these little snowman ornaments out of old book pages, or you could use music sheets, or even magazines, newspaper, whatever. I used my old French-English dictionary. I've been using it for years and I've still got quite a few pages that I can use. And then what can you use these for? Well, you can use them as Christmas tree ornaments, or you can use them to top a gift, or you can make your own Christmas cards. So let's get started. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue 3 pages together. So I'll just tear out 3 pages, and I'm going to spread some Elmer's glue on the paper. Like that. And then I folded a sheet in half and I cut out the shape of a snowman like that. And I just traced it on a sheet that I already had. That I have 3 sheets glued together. And I'll put the pattern on my Craftsy site and you can find the link below. So now I'm just going to cut out all around. Puncture a hole so that I can put a ribbon on for hanging. I have a black marker and an orange marker. Put on some eyes and some buttons. Some orange for the nose. And I have a piece of yarn. I'm going to tie that around the neck. Put a little bit of white glue there. Let that dry. And I'm just going to add a few little eyelashes here. And some little eyebrows. Like that. Now I can attach an ornament hanger. Now you could use these as Christmas tree ornaments, or on top of a gift as a gift tag, or you can make a greeting card. Like that. If you'd like, you could brush some glitter glue on it, give it some glitz. There you go. There's another easy ornament that you can make using any old paper. You could use magazines or music sheets, or like I did, just an old book or novel or anything that's out of print, even a telephone book. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.